CLP leader Ibobi today questioned the efficacy of the Manipur government in its duties and in maintaining law and order in the state. Speaking to media at Congress Bhavan in BT Road today, Okram Ibobi said the appointment of DGP and Chief Secretary by Centre without consulting the state government showed that the BJP-led state government has lost all of its control to its legislative and executive powers. Opposition had to raise the Manipur issue as state government failed to do its duties. High Court has also maintained that all state machineries have collapsed and the government has completely failed to maintain law and order in the state. Okram Ibobi also said the BJP government is engaged in blaming the previous government in order to hide their failures. Commenting on Prime Minister Narendra Modi's speech in the parliament yesterday, Okram Ibobi said the Prime Minister gave more emphasis on the arrest of 500 people and registration of 11,000 FIRs in connection to Manipur crisis, while ignoring strong commitment on the part of government to end this violence at the earliest.
Honorable Prime Minister na Lok Sabha da karim bhok Manipur gi matang da pandana Rajya Sabha gi reply to the Minister Nipan bu surong mudra isam chamba reply PB ram base politicalize to jabagi wan na che deko Manipur da laiba praja singsina pelam gani haibisi akhoi India block hi woina dei su tha thajati chahi ma hela base akhoi yam seriously lore athuba matam da normal si hanjal unaba community ani sigi marakta misunderstanding thokin tawibis puna maksing se akhoi thona wari sanadana di waroi sin purapa ngamoi do banina political dialogue tonana ba madugi road map madugi program loina ba akhoi song out tawre hujik internally hausu haure haibisu nataba mana haibudu bo sahi ma hela basida 11,000 FIR challe mi 500 phare 11,000 FIR challe leire action lore harise mashi loina mara leiba accuse woigadoribra phariba 500 khaksida woidoira mayu makai loina mai thadokraba mahan tan khrebado madu hayeng government na finance and aid kitang pirakta phangauba yanana ba police ta record leinana ba FIR tawbra mashi akhoi di confuse leba shi center na mashi sengtokpham thoeba.
On the other hand, speaking in the press meet, former Secretary of CPI Manipur State L. Sotin Kumar criticized the speech of Prime Minister Narendra Modi about Manipur while terming it as inappropriate. Sotin Kumar alleged that Prime Minister and his government is not making efforts to bring a political solution to the crisis. Rather, it is trying to control the violence by utilizing its military might. It is clearly shown by the attempt to arrest village volunteers who were compelled to pick up arms to defend themselves.
Hojik phawbada Bharat ki Prime Minister Narendra Modi mahakna phongdorapda haugiba tarikh 3 da thamkhiba Manipur gi wafam ase masi khwaidagi hena matik chadaba pakhum amane Bharat ki state kaya sinba thungna ma koichat chali Guwahati da lai Kaziranga da hingleli mafam kya chali hingleli senyam kya chakhaiba to loina miyam da makhan kya ge dress tawe adu Manipur lakhite adu Manipur gi wafam de ma karibta nasungdara dum leiki misa mane aduna hujik phawdam hak thoidri Manipur sa choblanja ma puthok na hodaba foreign country mayam magi itin chahan na hodaba adu loina Manipur se machet ta na kai resu yare hai bo akhala du khan base ngasi Bharat ki Prime Minister ki magi thamoi ki man ki baat madu soidari bam thoye nei phawe